Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap, and yes, I'm testing another fragrance. This is going to be the final one I'll be testing for a while. This one is Sicilian Sea Breeze from Brambleberry. It's one of their new collections. Out of the bottle, smells out of this world. Of course, my ultimate test will be what does it smell like in 4 weeks. Brambleberry says it causes minor acceleration, which is not a big deal, and discolors to an off-white, which shouldn't be a big deal with some strong pigments. So not too worried about that. What I'm going to do is base this on one I did a few weeks ago. These will be going out this weekend. So we have Hollywood Pink on the bottom. This is a mixture of Orange Vibrance and Tangerine Wow and Green Vibrance. So what I'm going to do with this one is, of course, in the tall skinny mold, I am going to drop swirl. That will give me an idea of how well this behaves. So I'm going to have white titanium dioxide. I'll have the Green Vibrance. And I will have the Orange Vibrance from Nurture Soap that will be strengthened and bumped up with Tangerine Wow from Brambleberry. Those will be the 3 drop swirls in the main soap. I may do a hanger swirl, I'm not sure yet. Then, if the fragrance behaves well enough and I feel comfortable, I'm going to do two-tone mica or two-tone frosting with Mad Mica's Flash Dance and white. If I don't feel comfortable mixing the 2 colors, I'll just do the Flash Dance. I think that's enough talk, so let me get things mixed up and we'll get started. All right, I'm ready. So let's start with the white. I've gone ahead and put the white pig powder into the soap, and I just blend it straight in if I think I'm going to have time to work, which I'm pretty sure I do. Now that's a bit of an off-white, which I kind of want, especially if the fragrance is going to discolor, so I intentionally put a little bit less in. Now let's get our Green Vibrance in. Keeping in mind, I always point out Green Vibrance is a morphing mica. It turns kind of a brownish olive green. Like right now, it's beautiful, light green like it's supposed to be. It will discolor to a brownish olive green, but after 24 hours, when I cut it tomorrow, it'll be back to a bright natural green. Then, let's do our orange. And oranges are not the most stable in cold process soap, this one included, so I usually put a hefty amount in, and then that's why I always add this Tangerine Wow or some sort of really potent neon, which really keeps it nice and strong, because right now it looks great. But it won't maintain that. So I always put just a tiny amount of a potent neon, and this neon is extremely potent. And it does need to be stick blended, so let me give the green a quick blend to finish emulsifying it. And then give this a blend to get it emulsified and that pigment mixed in. Now let's see what our fragrance is going to be. And I've done my homework ahead of time. I can safely use this entire bottle, so I'm just going to measure it out by eye. Save that for a frosting. Since this has been stick blended well, I think I'm just going to hand stir it since it supposedly accelerates, causes minor acceleration. And this green is starting to morph. It's turning dark, but it will be that bright, pretty green tomorrow when we cut. I am going to hit it quickly. This is holding up, and this is going to be a quick pour, so just a real quick hit. And let's get this into the mold. Oh yeah, it's still nice and fluid. All right, that's going to have to sit a while because this is behaving pretty well, so I'll be back in a bit. Alright, I'm back and it's time to cut our soap, and everything went exactly according to plan. The pour went great, the colors did great. I wanted sort of an off-white instead of a stark white. The frosting held its shape beautifully. I was a little nervous because I did TD, which sets up a little faster, but both of them set up at a good rate and got them in together, so I didn't have one hard and one soft. It was just great. So I still have Granny here. She's had a nice bath, all nice and clean and ready to go. So let's go ahead and use her to make the cut, and she'll go back to the church tomorrow. And I should have put it on the side. I should have put it on the side, and it's probably too late. Just cleared it. Yeah, very nice. And so far, this fragrance smells fantastic. As of this point, I love the scent. It's holding up. Yeah, really should have put that on the side because it's a little bit soft and I mashed the sides in, but no worries. Yeah, these look nice. This is exactly what I wanted. Very nice. Okay, so let me get these lined up and I'll get some snapshots. But I am really pleased with these. That again. So anyway, really happy with the results here. And that's what I have for this week. So as always, thanks for watching. Stay safe, take good care of yourselves, and be blessed. And I'll see you next time. Bye, everybody.